Welcome to my channel Education by Haneet. So children, today we are going to do the back exercise, the question and answers of chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence, right? So question 1. What is the term used for chemical secretions of endocrine glands responsible for changes taking place in the body? The chemical substance secreted by the endocrine glands is called hormones. Hormones are responsible for the changes taking place in the body, and there are different types of changes, noticeable changes in boys and girls. Okay. Now second question, define adolescence. So the period during which the human body undergoes changes leading to the reproductive maturity is called adolescence. It begins at the age of 10 or 11 years and ends between the age of 18 to 19 years. The period of adolescence may differ from person to person. Okay. What is menstruation? Explain. In females, an ovum matures and is released by one of the ovaries once in about every 28 to 30 days. The uterus prepares itself to receive a fertilized egg on every month. Due to this, the inner lining of the uterus becomes thick so as to receive the egg. If the egg is not fertilized, then the lining of the uterus breaks down and gets released in the form of blood through the vagina. This monthly cycle is known as menstruation or menstrual cycle. Okay. Question 4. List changes in the body that take place at puberty. So the changes that take place at the time of puberty are the height and weight of the body increases. Then in females, the enlargement of the ovary takes place and starts producing matured eggs. And on the other hand, in males, the testes grow and start producing sperms. Then in males, the shoulder broadens, the chest becomes wide, whereas in females, the region below the waist becomes wider. Then acne seems to appear because of the excessive secretion of oil from the skin. Okay. Then in boys, if we'll see, the larynx becomes prominent under the influence of hormones, and the vocal cord becomes longer and thicker, resulting in a hoarse voice. Now let's see question 5. Prepare a table having two columns depicting the name of endocrine glands and hormones secreted by them. So I have written here the correct answer, okay, and the table, you have to prepare this table, so you can copy as it is. So endocrine gland, first one is pituitary gland. The hormone secreted by pituitary gland is growth hormone, okay. Then adrenal gland. So the hormone secreted will be adrenaline. Then thyroid gland, hormone secreted will be thyroxine. And by pancreas, the hormone secreted will be insulin. Now question 6. What are sex hormones? Why are they named so? State their functions. Now testosterone and estrogen, these are called two sex hormones. Okay. Now testosterone is a male hormone which is secreted by testes at the start of puberty. Okay. And estrogen is a female hormone secreted by ovaries. It makes the egg mature. These hormones help in the development of secondary sexual characteristics and hence they are called sex hormones. Okay. Secondary sexual characteristics like growth of development of breasts, then the region below the waist becomes enlarged. Okay. These are some sexual characteristics, secondary sexual characteristics. Okay. Then question 7. Choose the correct option. Adolescents should be careful about what they eat because. Now the correct answer of this will be second option. Proper diet is needed for the rapid growth taking place in their body. Okay. Then second one, reproductive age starts in women. The reproductive age in women starts when the first answer is correct, the first option, menstruation starts. Okay. Then C1, the right meal for adolescents consists of. The correct answer is option second one, chapati, dal and vegetables. Rest all are not correct. Okay. Now write notes on Adam's apple. Now in human males, in boys, the larynx grows larger at the time of puberty and it can be seen as a protruding part of the throat. This protrusion is known as Adam's apple. In boys, under the influence of sex hormones, the larynx becomes prominent. Due to this, the vocal cord becomes thicker and longer, which causes the voice to be hoarse. Okay. Then secondary sexual characters. The features which help in distinguishing a man from a woman are called secondary sexual characters. In males, the secondary sexual characters are the growth of hair on face, chest, underarms and pubic region. In females, the development of breast and growth of hair in the underarm and pubic regions are the secondary sexual characters. Okay. Then C, sex determination in the unborn baby. The sex of an unborn baby depends upon the pair of sex chromosomes that are present in the cells of the baby. Okay. X and Y chromosomes are the sex chromosomes in humans. Now, if the zygote has one X and one Y chromosome, it develops into a male child. And if the zygote has two X chromosomes, it develops into a female child. So, thus, this is how the sex the determination is done. Sex is formed. Okay. Now the ninth question, word game. Now I have not made that puzzle box here, but if you will write the exact answers, you will be able to fill that puzzle box. Okay. So across, third question, protruding voice box and voice. Adam's apple. When gland without ducts are endocrine. Endocrine glands attached to brain, pituitary. Then eighth one, secretion of endocrine glands. It happens in the hormones, by the hormones. Ninth, pancreatic hormone. It secretes insulin. Then female hormone is estrogen. Okay. Then if you will see down, so male hormone testosterone secretes thyroxine, thyroid gland. Another term for teenage, adolescence. Hormone reaches here through bloodstream, target site. Voice box, larynx. Term for changes at adolescence, puberty. Okay. So here we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you.